Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is the first time here, thanks for stopping by. Please hit the like and subscribe button. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is on a hidden iOS feature that lets you draw perfect shapes on your photos. So do you use markup to edit your photos and screenshots on your iPhone or iPad? Then you need to know this secret trick. I take a lot of screenshots during the day and send them to people. And I like to draw on many of them, especially screenshots. Unfortunately, it's tough to draw well with your finger on a little tiny small phone screen. So many of the times my circles and squares are usually pretty childlike. It looks like a little 2-year-old drawn with a crayon. What can you do? Well, it turns out there's something that you can do because there's a hidden iOS feature built into the Markup Photo Editor that allows you to transform your bad 2-year-old cartoonish looking drawings into perfect shapes. And to access this hidden editing feature, you can either take a screenshot or go into an existing one on your camera roll. If you take a screenshot, tap on the tiny preview in the bottom left. This is the easiest way to draw on your screenshot. Next, choose a drawing option from the bottom of the screen, pen, highlighter, pencil, whatever you want to use, and finally draw what you want. Whether it's a line, arrow, circle. However, don't lift your finger after you finish the drawing. Instead, hold your finger down for a few seconds, and whatever shape it is that you draw will be replaced with a perfect version of it. I'll show you a couple examples as follows. For example, if you draw a poor circle and hold your finger down when you're finished, your bad circle will be replaced with a perfectly drawn circle. If you draw a crooked line, it will be replaced with a perfectly straight line. The feature works with several shapes. Once you've finished crafting your perfect shapes, hit done to save them onto your screenshot. And that's it. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.